this is my last year, and maybe peer pressure is a thing.
Do we have any loose change around here, Steve? Yeah. Caroline needs a very important coin flip to determine her night plans.
Griffin, there's a flag on my desk.
This is so funny.
Train you go, blank you don't.
Train I go, blank I don't.
Train you go, blank you don't.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh God.
It was train.
Are you just saying that, or was it actually?
I swear it was train.
It was train.
I swear.
Okay, fine.
The fate has decided.
I have to go put on a full face right now. I guess this is my fate for the night.
She is abiding by the coin flip.
It looks like I'm going out tonight. I think I'm gonna regret not going. Like, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight now that I know the coin said for me to go.
The coin said you must.
I'm gonna go downstairs and get ready.
I love you. Have fun.
I love you too.
Bye, Caroline.
Bye.
Caroline.
Bye, guys. I'm going.
You're going.
In case you guys couldn't tell, I'm gonna sit down and explain everything while I'm doing my makeup because that was the whole thing. I actually just filmed a whole entire video, which you guys will probably see before this one goes out. But yeah, I had a great, full, fun day. I showered, put on my skincare, was getting ready for bed, and then two of my girlfriends did a group FaceTime. Ashley, McKenna, you guys are real. And they were like, we start our final year of college in 2 days, let's go out spontaneously with everyone else. Everyone else meaning like a bunch of girls who are currently at a concert right now, and then they're gonna go to the bars after. And I was like, at first in my head I was like, no, I shouldn't, I'm really tired. I have a 7:50 a.m. workout class in the morning. But then when I hung up the call, I thought about it and I was like, wait, this is my last year, and maybe peer pressure is a thing. So what did I do? I called my boyfriend. Griffin found a coin, actually not even a legit coin. It's like one of those coins that you press into a machine when you're on vacation somewhere. So it was one of those like longer oval coins. And on one side there was a train and on the other side there was nothing. He flipped train, and honestly in my head I think I knew before he flipped the coin that I was gonna go out anyways because it's senior year. I don't wanna be lame. Maybe I forgot to mention, but I'm also not going to be drinking tonight. I will be the designated driver. Usually I'm not a stickler about drinking. I actually thoroughly enjoy going out. I want to be responsible because I have a very early workout class and I'm not trying to pay a cancellation fee. Tonight is going to be proof that you can still have fun without drinking anything, and I live by that. Here's tonight's outfit. You were probably looking at this top like, sister, what are you wearing? Trust me, this is gonna be cute. It's like this and then it wraps around. And then I've got my favorite jeans in the whole world. These are Abercrombie low-rise. Let's put it on. Trust the vision, ready? A little rap moment. Oh no, is that a deodorant stain? We need some music to get hyped up. I don't know what kind of music I'm feeling. Maybe my New York playlist? Oh, here we go. Let's do this thing. You know what, I'm feeling good. I'm glad I'm going out. But when you're coming home, I left the keys under the door. We were the trust, baby. No way my palette broke. I've been waiting for you. Why you gotta be so shy? Said you're the kind of guy, yeah, you're just my type. Oh wow, that just hurt so bad. I heard this song on the show Mr. Robot. My family was watching it back in Texas and I was just eaves watching, I guess. That show had one of the best soundtracks ever. I think M83 might be my new favorite band. Thank goodness for lash curlers. Shoot, my camera's about to die!
Well,
Ashley's gonna play us a little ballad.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's only the first section though.
Yeah.
Okay.
And action.
I'm so excited. I really can't wait. That's all I got so far. But just wait.
Yeah. Oh wait, back to bar. Back to bar. Oh wait, oh wait. Oh, Jeremy. Oh, he's cheese. Oh my God. We look fat.
No, it's the ankle.
Yeah, I think I did that. Oh. Oh my God. Welcome in. Can you tell me how to do it again? We can show you how to do it.
Alright ladies, we are downtown. We're downtown Boise and...
I've never been in a vlog before.
Wait, you have to introduce yourself.
This is Gabby.
This is Gabby. I made a new friend tonight. Yes. I made a new friend tonight. Oh, the taco place is out, right?
Guys, I got a hot dog down here.
Was it good? Was it good? Guys, look who we ready!
So excited for the school year. Yay! Girl life plays. Let me go.
It's 1:27 a.m. I just finished dropping off the girls and now I'm finally headed home. I am so ready for bed. I'm about to have the best sleep of my life. I can just feel it. I had a lot of fun and honestly I'm really glad that I ended up going out tonight. One of the things that I promised myself before I started senior year is I just want to say yes to more things because I think it's really easy to get set in your routine and just not go out. I hope that this is proof that if you don't feel like drinking on a specific night, you can still go out and have a good time. Oh my God. I'm so tired. Can y'all see it on my face? What a good night though. It was fun. I literally saw all of my friends out and some people that I didn't know but knew me and have watched my videos and that was really cool. These heels need to come off. So getting ready for a night out is always fun, but coming back home and having to do the whole unwind routine is kind of a lot. For how small Boise is, I will say they do have a really fun nightlife and I feel like everyone should experience it at least once in their life. My favorite places in Boise for drinks, even though it is expensive, Amsterdam is a really good one. For pre-gaming, Cactus, because it's cheaper. Depending on the night and whoever's DJing, I feel like Granny's can be really good. Okay, let's wash this face. My workout class starts in 5 hours. Ooh, I do not know how I'm gonna get some sleep tonight. We're gonna double cleanse to get all this gunk off my face. Best parts of my night were running into all my friends. Also, I just love dancing. If someone puts on a good song and some strobe lights, like I am there, I'm dancing, you can count on it. It feels so good. Popping these bad boys. How cute is this shirt? Also, this is from my boyfriend's football team in Clifton, Texas. Why do I keep saying boyfriend? He's not my boyfriend. Yeah, I have to brag on him for a moment because he was a trifecta athlete. He did track, basketball, and football. Maybe it was baseball, maybe not track, but he did 3 sports. Just proud of him. I didn't really do any sports besides cheerleading, but I don't know, maybe, what do you guys think? Is cheerleading a sport? I feel like it should be because we showed up for like all the football stuff. And I got dropped as a flyer many a times. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am signing off. Sending GN streaks to all those who care. Thank you so much for sticking around if you made it this long. I am gonna be going to sleep. I also ran into my next door neighbor downtown, which is always funny because I'm like, wait, it's crazy seeing y'all when we're not living next to each other. I love you guys so much. Have a fabulous rest of your day, wherever you are listening to this. Oh, I forgot to put on my eyelash serum. Hold on. Sidetracked. For anybody wondering what eyelash serum I use Babe Lash Essential. All right, good night. One last thing, lavender pillow spray. Sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. Ciao.
Predispose my soul to tides that ebb and flow. I'm the one the ocean chose to stay.